Do you ever have those days where you have hiccups like 5 times? Like all in one day? I've had the hiccups today several times. Can't even count that high. I've done some researching before because I always wonder, how do you get hiccups? Well, so apparently it's like it's like a contraction of the diaphragm, and something about how there's like an abrupt rush of air into the lungs, which causes the little epiglottis to close. Well, then they go and talk about how like if you drink too much alcohol, you can get the hiccups. That's not my problem. Maybe it is. Just kidding, it's not. It's like, how can I cure my hiccups? Because, I do have the hiccups, so I do a little more researching, and this is what I found. Apparently you can drink upside down from a cup. I was like, how's that gonna work? Well, that didn't work. You can also scare yourself, or have somebody else scare you. I'll have my twin sister, who's wearing the same clothes as me, scare me. Hey Rachel, guess what? Hey, what, twin sister? I heard you can also hold your breath. I started faint, and then I unfainted myself, and then I was faint free again, and so I didn't do that again. Do you ever have the silent hiccups where you're sitting there and you're just like, and people are like, what is her deal? And you're over there and you're like, hiccup, hello? And they're like, well, aren't hiccups normally like, and you're like, no, my hiccups are like, just kind of a jerky move. Like, I love being jerked about, and I can't even help it. You just like walk along the street, you're like, sorry, couldn't help it. Or have you ever had those ones where you're like, really loud? I read this one site and they were like, sometimes you need medical treatment to cure your hiccups. And so I'm like, I might need medical treatment to cure my hiccups? You need medical treatment to cure your hiccups? Sometimes? What? There was a 15-year-old girl in 2007 who needed medical treatment to cure her hiccups. She hiccuped continuously for 5 whole weeks. For 5 whole weeks. 35 days. No way. Every time I get the hiccups, it makes me wonder, am I gonna need medical treatment to cure my hiccups?